Hi there. So I've had students ask for me to demonstrate how to use a scientific calculator, so that's what this is about. And hopefully we will be able to manage that without too much glare. Anyway, all right. So let's say that we are using our scientific notation. For example, if I'm entering the speed of light, I would enter 2.998, and then I need to write in the exponent. So you will see on your calculator there is this little button here that has EE on it. So we need to get there using our second function. So that's this, and then we'll type this, and then the speed of light is 2.998 times 10 to the 8th. So I'm just going to put an 8. So the E there takes the whole place of the times 10 to the part. Okay? So perhaps we are doing a calculation where we are converting, maybe I should write this down. Converting speed into wavelength, or wavelength into speed, or into frequency, or something like that. Okay, so perhaps we're doing this calculation. So we are going to take 2.998 times 10 to the 8th meters per second, and divide it by a wavelength. I'm just going to make a 1 up. So let's say it was 656 nanometers. So we're going to convert that. We have 10 to the 9 nanometers in 1 meter. So if we did that, we would get 6.56 times 10 to the minus 7 meters. So now I'm ready to type this into my calculator. I've put in the speed of light already. So now I need to divide. Here's the divide button, and I'm going to type in 6 not 5, 6.56, and then I'm going to use second function and the EE button again, and now I'm going to use this button for the plus minus and 7, and we hit enter. So our answer is shown as 4.57012, and then there is a little times 10 to the, right down here by the 14. Since I had 3 significant digits in my original number, I'm going to keep 3 significant digits. So I would write down for my answer that the frequency was 4.57 times 10 to the positive 14. The meter units cancel out. That leaves me with 1 over seconds, which is appropriate for a frequency unit. So that's one example. Let's just go through another one while we're here. So if we were calculating the energy, we can use the energy of this light. And I just calculated the frequency, so let's go ahead and do it again. So Planck's constant is 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34 joules times seconds, and we're multiplying that times the frequency we just calculated, 4.57 times 10 to the 14th, 1 over seconds. So it's time for me to put these into the calculator. All right, 6.626 second function E minus 34 times 4.57 second function E 14. Enter. So our answer is, keeping 3 significant digits, 3.0, round up to 3, times 10 to the minus 19 joules, and that would be our answer. So hopefully this has been a useful review of not only how to calculate frequency from wavelength and also energy from the frequency, but also using a calculator, a scientific calculator, if you have one in this style or something pretty similar. Let me know if you have any questions.